Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road. So excited to show you 3 new collections available at the Sandpaper Road Shop. These are by Craft O'Clock, Afternoon Walk, Seaside Greetings, and Trail of Silence. They are brand new. This is June 2022, brand new in the shop and available right now at sandpaperroad.com. I'm going to take a look with you today at each one of these collections inside the packaging so you can see. So let's start with the Trail of Silence. And this is the 8x8. You get 24 sheets. Look at the designs. Oh my goodness. I think of like Bob Ross paintings when I see this. I cannot wait to create with this. 24 sheets double-sided. That's pretty good. Look at this here. So on the back of the packaging, you get some cut aparts. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful. I like that there's like a scene and then like a traditional like pattern paper on the other side. Wow, really, really nice. This definitely has feelings of like nature hikes, camping, perfect for summer, and now it's starting to repeat. Yeah, really, really nice. I won't go through, but once it repeats. This is the junk journal set. This is 12 sheets. This is, oh my goodness. This is just great for when you're making a mini album. Look at the film strip. When you're making a mini album, you've got to have the junk journal set. Look at the extras. Little mini envelopes. Oh, cool. Little like pocket slider cards. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. More cut aparts. Yeah, really neat. And then it repeats. Oh, good. Big bonus card, little tags, tickets. Yeah, really, really nice. And then it repeats. Then the extras set. I always like the extras set. I'm one of those traditional scrapbookers, And this is good if you have a cutting machine, like a scan and cut. You can put this in the scan and cut. But I personally can do that, and I do that sometimes, but I like to fussy cut as well. I find it relaxing. Now, the cool thing about the extra sets is they're double-sided, so that like when you cut out like this tent, it's on both sides. Or the Jeep. Obviously, any one of these images, it's on both sides. So that if you have like a window card or an acetate type thing going on, then you can see through it on both sides. Or if you're doing accents inside pockets and you pull them out, it's on both sides. Or if you have things that hang over the edge. Look at the backpack. Look at the mugs. Oh, like little sketch designs. That's so cool. That's cool. Birdhouses, cottages, windmills. Just think, you could leave it as is, or you could use like your markers or your colored pencils to color it in. That's really, really cool. Great for camping. Look at the mountains, trees, and then it repeats. This is the 12 by 12. You get 6 sheets in it. I got a little mixed up there. Oh my goodness. The smell of the paper though, folks. The smell of the paper. Okay. On the back, they always include real nice tags, ephemera, and extras. I always like that they do that. Oh my. So beautiful. I love the papers. Ooh, I like this one has like a little, oh, look at the bottom. Look how it looks. Like all the little camping type gear and stuff on the bottom. That's really cool. I really, really like it a lot, the atlas. That's neat. Great pages. And there's some of that different feel with the, boy, that is cool looking. Yeah, great. So Trail of Silence, the 12 by 12, the extra set, the junk journal set, and the 8 by 8 available right now at the Sandpaper Road Shop. Let's move on and take a look at Seaside Greetings. Same type of format. You're going to get the 8 by 8. You're going to get the, these are all separate purchases. You don't get them all together, okay? And you're going to get the junk journal set is available, the extra set is available, and then the 12 by 12 is available. But let's take a look at the papers inside, okay? We've had Ocean Deep, and we've had Sea Stories, where it's like sea themed, like ocean themed, but not where it's like nautical themed, and definitely not with like this color palette where it's a little bit more, I guess nautical is the way. Cut aparts. Ooh, I really like this a lot. Oh yeah, this is traditional type nautical beach. That's really cool. Beach umbrella, you know, surf and sun type vacation type. Yeah, that's really cool. Look at the seashells. Oh my goodness. And then it starts to repeat. Yeah. So this is, let's take a look at the junk journal set inside. Love the corner envelope cutouts, tab folders. I use these a lot when I make mini albums. A lot. Look at the seahorse. Cut aparts. Ooh, neat clocks, frames, tags, tickets. Neat stuff. Oh, I like when they do this. I like when they include these little rulers and these like little tab, like folder tab things. Bingo cards, little labels, like ephemera labels. I really like this a lot. They change it up like what they put in the junk journal set. But that's probably my favorite one, where they put like the rulers and the labels and the tickets. I love the tickets. Yeah, that's cool. And I like these, the little tab folders and stuff. And then it repeats. Really great. Okay, and then we've got the extras to cut. It smells so good. Neat little things in jars, flowers. This is going to be fun to cut. All these flowers. This actually should cut pretty easy because it's, if you have a scan and cut, you know, sometimes it can get a little funny when you've got the white, like if it's a light against a white, like, but this, we shouldn't have that problem. Yeah, neat. Ooh, I like these images a lot. These beach lighthouses. Little beach house, little bathhouse. I really like these. I like these a lot. Neat little sea animals. Oh, so cool. Oh, neat. And little anchors and like little sea. This would be cool if you're taking a ferry ride somewhere, you know. Oh, cool. Little anchors and life rafts and stuff. Shells. Can't get enough of the shells. So cool. And then it repeats. And the 12 by 12. Let's open this up and give you a look inside here. Ooh, a lot of neat tags and stuff. Oh, good. These are from real early on. I like that they're keeping some of that that design. That's neat. Neat page. Oh my goodness, so cool. There's that. Oh, this paper is so pretty. It's almost just frameable, just the paper itself. Oh, but actually, wait, I say that too soon. If you think this is frameable, wait till you see the next one. The next one. Look at the seahorse. Boy, I love this paper. I like the color palette. Yeah, I can already picture some pictures that I would use and some things I would do with it. So cool. I just love this. It's this certain blue with this certain like orangish yellow, coralish. So, oh, and it all coordinates together. What's even more is that on the bottom, do they still do that? Oh no, they stopped doing that. Did they? Aw. They used to put the little color palette on the bottom of each one of the pages. Maybe they don't do that anymore. They changed their packaging slightly, but I don't mind. Cool. All right. So we've got the 12 by 12 and we've got the extra set, the junk journal set, and the 8 by 8 Seaside Greetings available right now at the Sandpaper Road Shop. Last but not least, let's get into looking at Afternoon Walk. Wait until you see this. I cannot believe how beautiful this paper is. I almost don't even have words. I almost don't have words. This is going to be paper that you're going to want more than one because you're going to want one to just look at and one that you cut up and use. Okay. This is the 8 by 8. Oh my. Here's some cut aparts. That's beautiful. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it. Look. Oh, can we talk about the doors? Can we talk about the doors? This is the door of my dreams right here. Wow. The music notes, the flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Is this where it's repeating now? Oh my. Yeah. So you get 24 sheets there, double-sided. Let's take a look at the junk journal set. Oh. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. That's neat. How they have that. That's neat. Yeah, that's neat. The color palette, though, it's so unique. Oh, that partial door. Look at the partial door. So cool. And then this big thing here. These are like fold. Is this how it started? I don't remember seeing that. Maybe I just was so enamored with the... Yeah, oh yeah, it did. How it folds, it'll fold over like that. Yeah, that's cool. Wonderful. So you get 12 sheets there, double-sided. Let's see what's in the extra set. Afternoon Walk, oh my. Cut aparts. Neat little scooters and bikes. A lot of these are interchangeable. The lanterns and the books and stuff. And like these little, like a lot of the stuff I could see actually going with Trail of Silence as well. But like the seahorse and that and some of the bikes and stuff I could see also going with like Seaside Greetings. Really neat release of these three. Yeah, that's really, really neat. And like the lemons and the lemonade, the tea. Oh my, oh, look at the, like the vintage stuff. Man. This would be so fun to play with. Oh yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Flowers and bouquets. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Boy, you could almost do wedding stuff too. Anniversary stuff. Sympathy stuff. Oh, the sympathy stuff. Yeah, that would be neat. You know what, too? this would be good to pair, well, any of these would be good to pair with, like, some of the mood papers. There's a pink mood, there's a lavender mood that would go really good. Any of the mood papers, too. It helps stretch the paper collection. Mood just meaning it's like a monochromatic. It's more of a basic, like not printed with pictures, like on the paper. Oh, neat. Yeah, I like all this. And I think we're getting into the repeat by now. Yeah. Yeah. I think I've already been through it, but I was just, so look at the lock. Love it. Great. Those are the extras. You get 12 sheets of that. And let's take a look if I dare. The 12 by 12 afternoon walk. Craft o'clock papers are made in Poland, and a few places in the States have them, not many. And, you know, so if you see something you like, make sure you pick it up. So nice. It's really heavy paper too. It's like a cardstock weight pattern paper. I mean, that's so pretty. One picture right there and you would be done with your layout and you could keep going. Of course, you know, we as scrapbook artists would do more, but look at that, look at that, look at that. It's just beautiful. Look at that. Oh my. I just want to open it and go in that door. The most beautiful paper. I truly believe the Craft O'Clock makes the most beautiful scrapbook paper I've ever seen. I have other scrapbook paper also from like over the years, but anything I buy new, I do get it from here. It's such good quality. It's outstanding. Just to wrap up, afternoon walk, Seaside Greetings, Trail of Silence in the 8x8 and in the 12x12. Also, the junk journal extras are available and the double-sided extras to cut are available as well right now today at the Sandpaper Road Shop. Head to sandpaperroad.com and you can click on shop. And thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.